Stomach Ulcer Self-test. The kit includes a test cassette, specimen collection tube with extraction buffer, stool sample collection paper, and instructions for use. Not included but required is a timer. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Attach the stool sample collection paper to the toilet seat using the adhesive tabs. Then, deposit your stool sample. Unscrew the cap of the specimen collection tube and randomly stab the applicator into the sample in at least 3 different sites. You only need a small sample, about the size of a grain of rice. Screw the applicator back onto the tube tightly and shake the tube thoroughly to mix the sample with the buffer solution. You can now flush the stool sample and collection paper down the toilet. The paper is biodegradable. Remove the test cassette from the foil pouch and place it on a clean level surface, using it as soon as possible. Unscrew the cap of the extraction buffer and break off the plastic tip of the dropper. Add 2 drops of the solution into the sample well marked S on the test cassette. Avoid trapping any air bubbles in the sample well. Start the timer. Wait for 10 minutes before reading the results, and do not interpret the results after 20 minutes. If results are negative but symptoms persist or you yield a positive result, then we advise you to consult your GP.